Just fucking kick it back and wait, dog. Listen to the thunder. Catch that lightning. I don't know if my phone's getting at least the flash. Hillary. Holy shit.
What?
I don't know. That was just crazy because that started right after I seen that fat bolt. I've never said holy shit to lightning before in my life.
That's insane what it's been like. That's scary.
It scared the fuck out of me. I am not sleeping.
Oh, did you see that?
Woo! Getting it.
Oh, look. Watch. Show it.
Listen to that thunder. Holy shit. It's gonna get rained on maybe. Jamie? Jamie! Jamie!
Oh, shit. Damn, dude, that was perfect on my camera. Oh!
I'm just holding my phone out. Thunder, buddy.
Fuck you,
Ooh, bro. I'm gonna get soaked. Okay. Shit, do you smell that? There's a fire or something.
Yeah.
Burnt plastic hard. Whoa. Oh, that's my thumb. Coming from over there, you can see smoke.
Because the rain puts it out.
Oh shit. It's fire.
Really close. Put that in there.
Damn. How do I fucking... There's no settings for that shit. How would there be a fire in here?
Nope.
Thanks for the heater as well. I'm telling you, there's hella smoke pouring from over there. It's coming from over there.
Look, should we call the police and tell them?
Oh shit. Wasn't that a stand-up tree a minute ago? I don't know. No, I'm not gonna call the police.
No, there's a fire.
Because I don't know if I'm fucking tripping.
Oh shit.
I don't think so though, bro. You see it too.
I see it, dude.
Oh. My fingers all in the way. Don't quit hitting me. Oh, fuck my life.
What?
Getting soaked.
That's pretty
I don't look at my thumb finger. I want to keep an eye on that shit over there though.